Welcome to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can convert your shapefile to GeoJSON and KML, and later on I'll also show you how you can install Google Earth Pro and launch your KML file to Google Earth Pro. So here, using QGIS, make sure you also have your QGIS installed. It is a free version. It is an open source software. Just head over to Google and type in QGIS download and you will get your stable or latest version. So now I'm going to layer, then I'm going to add a vector layer, and here I'm going to navigate to my local machine and documents. I'm going to select my Kenya admin and then constituencies, and I choose the constituencies.shp, which is the shapefile. So I'm going to open this and then I click on add, then close. Now you can see this is the shapefile. So to convert this to GeoJSON, you all need to right click on the layer here on the left side, so and then go to export and then save as. So right click and then save as. So when you save as, you see under the format we have currently we have S3 shapefile. You need to click on the drop down arrow and then you can see many formats that you can convert your shapefile into. So we have GeoPackage, S3 shapefile, which is the current file format. We have the GeoArrow, the GeoPackage, AutoCAD, DXF. We have the comma separated value, which is the CSV, geodatabase, and many others. So for us, we need to convert this to GeoJSON and also the geography markup language, or the not the geography but the keyhole markup language, which is KML in short. So click on GeoJSON, the first one, click on this one, GeoJSON, and then navigate to where you want to save your work. So I'll just say I'll need to go back to the folder, so constituencies, and I say const just like that. Then it is a GeoJSON extension, so no problem if the name already exists because these are different extension. So I click on save, and then the layer name, obviously that one we shall leave it as empty. The CRS automatically it is EPSG 4326, which is the World Geographic System 1984. So we leave other options as default, then we click on OK. So you can see down here it is converting, and then it will automatically add the GeoJSON to our canvas. Okay, so I can check this, and now we have this as GeoJSON data. Okay, so now let us also open the GeoJSON and we just see how it looks like. I'll head over to my documents under this folder, constituencies, and then we have the GeoJSON is here. So I'm going to right click on this one and then open with it does not say to open with anything, but I can right click, I can double click, then I choose the application to open the file with, and here I can choose Notepad. Then you can see we have our GeoJSON data is here. So the type is feature. I can drag this to here. So the type is feature, the name is const, and then we have the properties. The properties here, you can see the object ID, the name, the code, and all the properties that are here. So you can use this to create your web application. If you are doing some sort of web mapping, it is advisable that you use the GeoJSON data. Okay, so the next one is to convert it to keyhole markup language. So I click on export, so I right click, export, and then save as. And now I'm going to save this as KML, and then I'm going to name this as new const and then it is a keyhole markup language. I click on save, and then I will leave the rest as default, the CRS, the layer name, and then click on OK. So it is asking us if we would like to add these layers to our map. So I'll say cancel. So we just want to export. Okay, so the next thing is to install Google Earth Pro. So head over to your browser and type in Google Earth Pro download, then click on the first link, which is this one. So when you click on this one, it is going to open up this page, which is the versions of Google Earth. You can see we have the Google Earth on web, Google Earth on mobile, and Google Earth on desktop. So this is what we would like to install because we are on the desktop. So scroll down. If you would like to work online, you can launch this in your browser, but since you want to download, we scroll down to where it says create maps with advanced tools. So Google Earth Pro on desktop is available for users with advanced feature needs. Import and export GIS data and go back in time with historical imagery, available on PC, Mac, or Linux. Okay, so click on download Earth Pro on desktop. So when you click on this one, it is going to ask you to accept the licenses, and here you make sure you accept, and then you click on download. So I've already downloaded. I'll just go to my downloads folder, and then it is here. Double click on that, and then I'll just go ahead and install Google Earth. Okay, so first of all, it says it is downloading, taking several minutes here to download, and then we shall get to the installation wizard, and finally we shall now install. So I'll pause here, I'll come back when it has finished and continue with the process. Okay, so we are remaining with some few seconds to finish downloading, and hopefully it will download the version of Google Earth Pro. So we're just going to wait as it finishes the process. So you can add either the base map here. You see I have the base maps here in the QMS or Quick Map Services. You can add your satellite imagery, or you can add OpenStreetMap like that. Then you can visualize your data. You can check and uncheck the layers here. Okay, so I'm just doing that so that we wait for the installation wizard. So it says installation complete. I'm going to click on close, and then I'll go ahead and launch Google Earth Pro. So if I go to menu, click on Google Earth Pro, and this is going to launch the application. Okay, so you can see the application is here, and now this one has taken me to my current location. Okay, so it is there and it's running. Now we go back to our where we saved our file. So I go here, constituencies, and then I see the new const.kml, and even you can see it has the icon for Google Earth Pro. So if I want to open with Google Earth Pro, I just double click on this one, and then it has already added the KML. So this is how you can convert your shapefiles to keyhole markup language, so that you can use Google Earth Pro to visualize, and also you can convert it to GeoJSON as I've shown you. Also, you can change the color of your KML data. You only need to go to under your temporary files. You'll see your file here on the left menu. Right click on that, and then go to properties, and properties, you'll see the description. Click on the style color, and then it says that the descendants of this folder do not share the same style. Click the button below if you want to force all descendants to share the same color. Okay, so we need to click on share style, and here you can see you can change the color. Let's say maybe to something like yellow, or maybe green, or any color you like. Here you can choose from this color. So let's say you want to go with red, then you only need to click on this one, you go to outline, you either choose the color or you can go with the black or the white. So you will see that when you change to field or outline, you see it fills in the data, but you only need the outline. So I just choose on outline, and then yeah, that way you can also change the width. Maybe let's say you wanted to build something like 4, you see it increases. You can change the color back to something like gray, click on apply, and then you'll see it is there. You can try another color, yellow, apply, and you can see it is there. Yeah, so this way you can play around with this one, change the color to make sure that your visualizations are much better depending on your needs. Okay, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please make sure to leave in the comment section, and thank you for watching. Also, if this video was helpful, make sure to leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.